Ascenders! And in this video, we're going to be taking a closer look at this jelly orange gel polish and doing some eyeshadow nail art. Slap is going to help me out by holding my press-on nails. Today, I think I'm going to do a stiletto look. Here's the star of this video, which is this orange jelly polish from Born Pretty's Sea Glass collection from Amazon. What I love about this gel polish is that it's transparent, but it also looks very vibrant. It applies very nicely, and it's very glass-like. When you apply it to clear press-on nails, like here, when I turn my nails over, you can just see it looks like colored glass. This is one coat after I've cured it in the lamp for 60 seconds. Now I'm going to apply the second coat. Of course, I am not going for a opaque look because this is a jelly polish. So I'm just going to apply the second coat to enrich the glass-like color. And here it is in 2 coats after I've cured it in the lamp. And I absolutely love the look of it. I had an idea. Why don't we grab some pink eyeshadow and apply it to the center of the nail? I'm kind of going for that sunset design. I've seen it on social media where you take some eyeshadow, you apply it to the center of the nail. So I'm going with that theme. And I usually apply the eyeshadow with my finger, but if you don't want to use your finger, you can just use a brush. And the eyeshadow should stick to this sticky layer of gel. And after I'm satisfied with the eyeshadow, I'm going to go ahead and apply a glossy top coat. Then I'm going to turn my nails over and let that even out. Then I'm going to cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. I absolutely loved how these turned out. So pretty. I love orange polish. So I wanted to do a dedicated video to this. It is such a nice glassy jelly look. The pink eyeshadow really gives it a sunset effect. This set of gel polishes is available on Amazon. I'll leave it linked down in the description box down below. This video is not sponsored. Some of the links in the description will be affiliate, but these are my thoughts and opinions only. And you know, this polish came in the box also, and it is blue. Why don't we do a shattered glass design? But for that, please click right here. Love ya. I'll see you in my next. Meow. Bye.